Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. Don't you know how to add temperature into Snapchat? If you don't worry. In today's video, I am going to teach you how can you add temperature into your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you just simply have to open the Snapchat app. And after opening the Snapchat, just simply select the snap or click the snap that you want to add temperature on. And after clicking or selecting the snap, you can see this sticker button here. You just simply have to tap into that. Step 2. Add the temperature. Now after clicking to the sticker button, it's already showing the temperature sticker into mine. But if it's not showing into yours, you don't have to worry. Just simply click to this search button here and click temperature into that. Then after searching the temperature, it will show many more gifs or stickers that include temperature. You just simply have to select one of them that matches the temperature that you want to add, and after then you can also place it anywhere you want into your snap. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. We'll meet in another video. Till then, keep loving the tech and sending the snap. Thank you for watching.